Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to disable Vercel Speed Insights step by step. There are a few different ways to do this depending on your situation, so I'll walk you through each method in order. The first method is through the Vercel dashboard. Start by selecting your project from the dashboard. Once you're in, look for Speed Insights in the sidebar and click on it. Now, at the top right corner of the Speed Insights page, you'll see an ellipsis button, that's the 3 dots. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Disable Speed Insights. When you do this, it'll stop collecting new data immediately, but you'll still see your existing data until the end of your current billing cycle. If you don't see the ellipsis button at all, move on to the next method. If that didn't work, the next fix is to remove Speed Insights from your code entirely. Open your project's terminal or command line. First, you'll need to uninstall the Speed Insights package. If you're using npm, type npm uninstall at vercel/speedinsights. For Yarn users, it's yarn remove at vercel/speedinsights. And if you're on pnpm, use pnpm remove at vercel/speedinsights. Next, go into your code and remove the Speed Insights component. For Next.js or React projects, find your layout file and delete the Speed Insights component. If you're using Nuxt or Vue, remove the Speed Insights component from your app. SvelteKit users need to remove the inject Speed Insights function call. And for vanilla JavaScript, just delete the Speed Insights script tag. Don't forget to also remove any import statements that reference Speed Insights. Once that's done, deploy your changes to Vercel. You'll know it worked when the Speed Insights request stops showing up in your browser's network tab. Still seeing issues? The next thing to check is if you're upgrading from a hobby plan to pro. Some users hit a billing issue where Speed Insights shows as enabled even though it's not in their code, and the dashboard asks them to pay $10 a month. If that's happening to you, first, check your package.json file to confirm the Speed Insights package isn't installed. If it's not there, you'll need to contact Vercel support through the dashboard. When you reach out, mention the billing issue and ask them to manually disable Speed Insights before you upgrade. They'll confirm once it's been turned off on their end. One last thing, when you disable Speed Insights mid-cycle, Vercel keeps showing your existing data until the billing period ends. After that, the data disappears, and you can't get it back or export it. And you won't get a refund for what you've already paid that cycle. Thanks for watching. If this helped, I'll see you in the next one.